Hi, this is Asim and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you step by step how to create a profile backlink on slides.com. So let's get started. First of all, head over to slides.com and click on login in the top right corner. Now you have two options to log in. You can log in with Facebook ID or you can log in with your Google account. So I'll continue with Google. Now choose your Gmail ID. Click continue. Now close it. Now click on tell us about yourself. Now here you can write your name or you can write your website or business name. So I'll write my business name. And here you can change the username. So I'll keep it as Decorious. And now this is available, okay. Now write a little description here. Let me copy mine, paste it here, and paste your website URL here. Let's copy the address, paste it here, and you can also paste the website address here. So you have to fill 4 details: your name, you can add your website name, then username, description, and then website address. Now click on Save Changes. Now hover your mouse over these 3 horizontal bars and click on Profile. Close it. Your profile backlink is now ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SEO tips. Let me know in the comments which platform you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.